everyone, this is Brandy. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm trying to recreate a look inspired by Jisoo, Blackpink's newest single, How You Like That? Her teaser poster. She had a gorgeous look with this rhinestone on her eyes. I really like this look today. Personally, I think the hardest part is not the eyeshadow or the false lashes. I think the hardest part is to get these rhinestones on my eyes. They are so tiny. Whenever I try to use my tweezer and try to get them on, they always fell. So I ended up using my fingers, but I think it worked. On the poster, Jisoo has a black hairband here, and then she has a baby hair glue right here, and she also had a gorgeous silver statement necklace. Unfortunately, I don't have any of that, but if you're interested in how I recreate this look, then keep watching. So I've already did my base makeup, and we're gonna go in with a warm taupe color here to put on our crease and keep blending that shade out. Here I'm using the VISEART Spritz Edit eyeshadow palette. I've used this palette before in another video doing an easy soft glam look. If you are interested, you should check that video too, and I'll link it on the top here. And then I'm going in with a slightly darker brown shade from the Jouer Rose Gold and Shimmer palette to just slightly darken the outer corner.
Just listen.
To achieve Jisoo's look, we want to keep the shadows to a minimum. From the picture, you can see that she didn't have much colors on her eyelids, so I'm trying to make this look as close to hers as possible. After this, I'm going to take this cool tone champagne shimmer shade and pack it all over our lid and below our crease. Also blend this shade with the brown shade we put in earlier in outer V, and voila! This is all the eyeshadows we're gonna need. It's super simple and super fast to do as well. I feel like this is also a very natural way to do our daily makeup as well. You really don't need to pack tons of eyeshadows, just choosing the right shades and enhance your natural beauty. Okay, so moving on, we're gonna create this slightly winged eyeliner. Again, nothing too complicated, just use a liquid eyeliner to draw out a thin line and slightly bring it upwards, and then fill in your waterline as well. Take your time to make this wing as clean as possible. One of the benefits of using a liquid eyeliner here is to create this sharp and sleek line. As you can see, we're also going to take a brown shade to give a wash of color on our bottom lash line, and that's it. We're now done with the base layer of our eye makeup. How easy is this? Like I said earlier, it's actually super simple to do, and the focal point of today's eye look are all about the rhinestones. I'm showing you how I put on these lashes here. First by curling my natural lashes, and then I'm going to blend the lashes a little bit so it can fit my eyes better later. Then applying a thin layer of lash glue until almost dry. Now I'm placing it as close as possible to my natural lash line and gently pressing it down. Don't forget to clamp the false lashes and your real lashes together. And now let's move on to these teeny tiny rhinestones. I got these festival facial crystals on Amazon and they are super affordable. Unfortunately, this year we can't go to the music festival or any concerts anymore due to the coronavirus, but who says we can't have any fun with our makeup though? Okay, so in reality, this took me about 15 minutes to finish. I wanted to go in with a tweezer, but because how tiny these are, after I put a glitter glue on the back of them, they just became super slippery and I find it easier to just use my hands. I tested it out and see if I can move them around, but it turned out to be really difficult. So I basically have to take this one down and redo it all over again. Not gonna lie though, these really brighten up the whole eye look and bam, we're not basic anymore. So we're going to see again here, Jisoo's makeup artist put these crystals in 3 different places, the middle of both upper and lower eyes and above the end of the eyeliner as well. So I'm also going to follow exactly how she looks like and place these strategically in these places as well. So this is the finished eye look. As you can see, I did the other eye off camera, and as I was putting on these falsies, I realized the other half of the falsies was not behaving well. I had to pressing it again and again so the 2 eyes can look symmetrical. For the blush, I'm also going to use this poster as my art direction and follow along. So her blush is placed in a more horizontally way across her cheeks, and the color she chose was this diffuse corally shade. Taking this highlighter, I'm going to highlight the high points of my face and get that glow. I'm not putting too much here. Again, don't have to go crazy. Just the right amount of doing this is all we need.
Just listen.
For the lip color, Jisoo's lip has this rosy tint, so I'm gonna go in with a nude rose color first and buff it out later and finish it off with a deep rose liquid lipstick.
Just listen. Just listen.
And there you have it, the finished look of this Jisoo-inspired eye look from their newest single. I have to be honest though, there are so many killer looks from this music video and I love every single one of them. If you love Blackpink as I do, don't forget to comment below which look is your favorite and who is your bias. Okay, so this is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy, and as usual, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you haven't turned on the notification bell, what are you guys waiting for? Turn on that notification bell so you are notified every time I upload a new video. For the month of July, I'm doing something a little bit different. Instead of uploading just once per week, I'm going to upload 2 videos per week. All the videos are gonna be English, so you guys don't have to read the subtitles again. I mean, I hope my previous videos with the subtitles help in terms of like understanding what I'm trying to say. Anyways, I love Blackpink. And until next time, I will see you in my next video. Bye!